Hey, what's up guys? This is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm showing you the final step of uploading videos to YouTube, and that's formatting the SD card. So once your video is uploaded and live, what you're going to do is you should have the window open still that you uploaded from. If not, you'll find the SD card right here, this SDHC. What you're going to do is just go ahead and right click on it, go ahead and format, and make sure you've got all your videos already uploaded, because this is going to wipe them out. All the settings should just default to what they need to be. Click start. It's going to say warning, hit OK, and format complete. So now the SD card is clean for the next person. Just go ahead and pop it out of your computer. You're going to put it back in the case the way you found it. If you use the SD card adapter, go ahead and put that back in the pouch up top. Then the SD cards go in the case like this. And at this point, you would take out your the battery from the GoPro, and you would put it back in the battery charging station. Obviously, we can't do that right now because we're using the GoPro, but that's the process. Thanks for watching.